Lantana Camara is no ordinary flower. It's nature's little firework. Its blooms burst with colors that change as they age, from yellow to orange, pink, red, or even purple, all on the same cluster. It's like a living rainbow that refuses to stay the same. Butterflies can't resist it. Its sweet nectar makes it one of their favorite stops. But beneath its charm, Lantana carries a wild streak. It's a survivor, thriving in harsh heat, poor soil, and dry weather where most plants give up. Because of this fierce independence, it's often called the flower that doesn't need pampering. Interestingly, while it brightens gardens across the world, Lantana Camara is also known as an invader in some regions, spreading fast, covering hillsides, and claiming space like a true conqueror. A mix of beauty and rebellion, it reminds us that even the prettiest things can have a wild side. If you love discovering the hidden magic of wild plants, then join the journey. Hit that like, share your thoughts about what does this rebel beauty say to you, and subscribe for more floral wonders that break the ordinary. Let's grow a garden of stories, one bloom at a time.